Have you decided or need more time?
Yes, I'll have the salmon, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Welcome to your English listening and speaking practice. Today, we are going to focus on one of the most useful situations in daily life, eating at a restaurant. If you are a beginner or if you feel nervous about speaking English in public, this lesson is perfect for you. We will speak slowly and clearly. We will use simple words suitable for A1 and A2 levels. Imagine you are hungry. You want to go out for a nice meal. When you go to a restaurant in an English-speaking country, there is a specific flow to the conversation. There are standard questions the waiter will ask you, and there are polite answers you should know. By the end of this session, you will know exactly what to say from the moment you walk through the door until the moment you pay the bill. Let's begin with the first step, arriving at the restaurant. When you walk in, a staff member, usually called a host or a hostess, will greet you. They need to know two things. Do you have a reservation, and how many people are in your group? Listen to a typical greeting. Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Bistro. Do you have a reservation? Now, let's look at that word, reservation. A reservation means you booked a table before you arrived. If you did call ahead, you would say, "Yes, I have a reservation under the name of Smith." If you did not book a table, that is okay too. You simply need to say, "No, I don't. Do you have a table for two?" Let's practice that phrase. It is very common. Do you have a table for two? If you are alone, you say, "Do you have a table for one?" Or if you are with a big group, "Do you have a table for four?" The host might say, "Yes, right this way. Follow me, please." Or if the restaurant is very busy, they might say, "I am sorry, we are full right now. The wait time is about 15 minutes. If you are willing to wait, you can simply say, "Okay, we will wait." Once you are seated at your table, the next part of the experience begins. The waiter or waitress will hand you the menu. The menu is the list of food and drinks. Usually, the waiter will ask about drinks first. This gives you time to look at the food options. Listen to the waiter. "Can I get you something to drink to start?" Here is a grammar tip. When we order in a restaurant, we try to be very polite. In casual conversation with friends, you might say, "I want water," but in a restaurant, "I want" can sound a little rude or demanding. Instead, we use "I would like" or "Can I have?" So, when the waiter asks about drinks, you can answer, "I would like a glass of water, please," or "Could I have a Coke, please?" Or perhaps, "I would like some orange juice." Always remember to add "please" at the end. It makes a big difference. Now, you have your drinks and you are looking at the menu. Sometimes menus can be confusing. They are often divided into sections. You usually see appetizers or starters. These are small plates you eat before the main meal. Then you see main courses or entrees. This is the big meal. Finally, you see desserts. If you are not ready to order yet and the waiter comes to your table, do not worry. You can simply ask for more time. The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" You can reply, "Not yet. Can we have a few more minutes, please?" This is a perfect sentence to memorize. Can we have a few more minutes, please? However, if you are ready, you can start ordering. Let's practice a dialogue for ordering food. Imagine you want the chicken salad and your friend wants the burger. The waiter asks, "What can I get for you today?" You say, "I would like the grilled chicken salad, please." The waiter might ask you a question about the salad. They might say, "What kind of dressing would you like? We have ranch, Italian, or oil and vinegar." You choose one. "Italian, please." Then your friend orders, "I will have the cheeseburger." The waiter will almost always ask questions about a burger. They need to know how you want it cooked. They will ask, "How would you like your burger cooked?" There are usually 3 common answers: rare, medium, or well done. Rare means it is red inside. Medium means it is pink. Well done means it is brown all the way through. Your friend answers, medium, please, and the waiter asks, does that come with fries or a salad? Your friend says, fries, please. Great, you have placed your order. The waiter will say, excellent choice. I will put that order in for you. Now, let's talk about a situation that happens often. What if you have an allergy? Or what if you do not eat meat? It is very important to communicate this clearly to the staff. If you are a vegetarian, you can ask, excuse me, does this soup have meat in it? Or simply state, I am a vegetarian. What do you recommend? If you are allergic to peanuts or seafood or dairy, you must use the phrase, I am allergic to. For example, I am allergic to nuts. Is there any nut oil in this salad dressing? Waiters are trained to help you with this, so never be afraid to ask. While you are waiting for your food, you might need something else. Perhaps you dropped your fork, or you need more napkins. You need to get the waiter's attention. To do this politely, wait until they are near your table, make eye contact, and say, excuse me. Do not snap your fingers or shout. Just a quiet, excuse me, is perfect. Excuse me, could I have an extra napkin? Excuse me, I dropped my fork. Could I have a fresh one? Now let's imagine the food arrives. The waiter says, here is the chicken salad and here is the burger. Enjoy your meal. A polite response is simply, thank you. Sometimes there is a problem with the food. Maybe the food is cold, or maybe it's the wrong order. You can complain, but you should do it politely. Being angry doesn't help. You can say, excuse me, I think this is the wrong order. I ordered the chicken, but this looks like fish. Or, excuse me, my soup is a little cold. Could you heat it up for me? Most of the time, the waiter will apologize and fix it immediately. Now you have finished your delicious meal. The waiter will come back to clear the plates. They will ask, was everything okay? Or, how was the food? If it was good, you can say, it was delicious, thank you. Or, everything was great. Then they will ask about the final part of the meal. Would you like to see the dessert menu? Or, can I get you any coffee or dessert? If you are full and don't want anything else, you say, no thanks, just the bill, please. In the US, we often say the check. In other places, it's usually called the bill. Both words are understood everywhere. Could we have the check, please? Could we have the bill, please? When the bill arrives, you need to check if the service charge is included. In some countries, you must leave a tip. A tip is extra money for the waiter. In the US, for example, a tip is expected. In other countries, it might be included in the price. If you are paying by card, you can ask, do you take credit cards? The waiter will usually bring a small machine to the table, or they will take your card to the counter. If you are paying by cash, you put the money in the folder. Let's practice a phrase when you are paying with a friend. Sometimes you want to pay for the whole meal yourself as a treat. You say, I've got this, or it's on me. It's on me means I will pay for it. However, sometimes you want to pay separately. You want to split the cost. You ask the waiter, can we split the bill, please? Or, can we have separate checks? This tells the waiter to charge you only for what you ate and your friend for what they ate. Once the payment is finished, the waiter will say, thank you for coming. Have a good evening. And you reply, thank you. Goodbye. Let's review the most important vocabulary words we heard today. I will say the word and I want you to repeat it. Reservation. Reservation. This is when you book a table in advance. Menu. Menu. The list of food you can order. Appetizer. Appetizer. The small dish you eat first, also called a starter. Main course. Main course. The big dish, also called an entree. Dessert. Dessert. The sweet food you eat at the end, like cake or ice cream. Bill. Bill. The paper that says how much money you have to pay, also called the check. Tip. Tip. the extra money you give for good service. Excellent. Now let's try a full role-play simulation. I will be the waiter and I will leave a silence for you to answer. Try to use the phrases we learned. Scenario: you are entering the restaurant. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Your turn. Say, no. Do you have a table for two? Waiter: yes, we do. Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you a drink to start? Your turn. Say, I would like a water, please. Waiter: certainly. I will be right back with that. Waiter: here is your water. Are you ready to order your food? Your turn. Say, yes, I would like the chicken salad, please. Waiter: excellent choice. And for dessert? Your turn. No, thank you. Just the bill, please. Did you manage to say the phrases? If you did, well done. If you struggled, that's completely normal. Learning a language takes...
Have you decided or need more time?
Yes, I'll have the salmon, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.